Hey y'all, welcome! Isn't it amazing watching these little ones grow? One minute they're snuggled in your arms, and the next they're off exploring every nook and cranny. But as much as we love to see them explore, we've got to make sure their adventures are safe ones. So whether you're expecting your first little bundle of joy or you're already navigating the world of crawling and climbing, join me as we dive into Baby Proofing 101. We'll uncover those hidden dangers, share practical tips, and make sure your home is ready for every exciting milestone. Let's get started, y'all. Now you might be thinking, Joanna, is baby proofing really that big of a deal? And my answer is a resounding yes. These little ones, they have a knack for getting into everything. Think about it. Everything is new to them. Every drawer handle is a shiny toy. Every electrical outlet is fascinating, and every staircase is a mountain to conquer. Baby proofing isn't about restricting our little ones, it's about giving them the freedom to explore safely. It's about creating a space where they can learn and grow without us constantly hovering over them, saying no or don't touch. Baby proofing took a weight off our shoulders and allowed us to enjoy those precious moments even more. Alright y'all, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the essential baby proofing tips that'll make a world of difference. First things first, those sharp corners and edges, they're like magnets for little foreheads. Corner guards are a lifesaver, especially around coffee tables and fireplace hearths. Next up, let's talk electrical outlets. Those tiny holes are just too tempting for curious fingers. Outlet covers are a must-have in every room. Now, stairs. I love a good staircase, but for little ones they can be a hazard. Baby gates are your best friend here. Install them at the top and bottom of staircases to prevent falls. We all know how much little ones love to pull themselves up on furniture. But those bookcases and dressers, they're not as sturdy as they look. Securing heavy furniture to the wall with anti-tip straps is crucial. Last but not least, let's talk about those cabinets and drawers. Cleaning supplies, medicines, sharp utensils, they all need to be kept out of reach. Cabinet locks and drawer latches are lifesavers here. They're easy for adults to use, but keep those curious hands out. Remember, baby proofing is an ongoing process. As your little one grows and develops new skills, you'll need to reassess and make adjustments along the way. But with a little planning and effort, you can create a safe and loving environment where your little one can thrive. Now I know what you're thinking. Baby proofing sounds like a lot of work, but trust me, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. One of my favorites is magnetic cabinet locks. They're invisible from the outside so they don't disrupt the look of your kitchen, but they keep those cabinets securely shut. And for those pesky doorknobs, try doorknob covers. They make it difficult for little hands to get a grip and open doors they shouldn't. Speaking of the kitchen, stove knob protectors are a must-have. They prevent little ones from turning on the stovetop and potentially getting burned. Bathrooms can be slippery places, especially for little ones who are still finding their footing. Non-slip mats in the bathtub and on the bathroom floor can help prevent slips and falls. Do your research, find what works best for your home and your little one, and don't be afraid to ask for recommendations from other parents. Alright y'all, we're almost done. You've covered the sharp corners, secured the furniture, and locked up those cabinets. But before you declare your home baby proof, there's one more crucial step, the final safety check. And here's the secret. Get down on your hands and knees. That's right, see the world from your baby's perspective. Crawl around each room, looking for any potential hazards you might have missed. Are there any loose cords or wires within reach? What about small objects that could be choking hazards? This final walkthrough is all about putting yourself in your baby's shoes, or should I say crawling shoes. It's amazing what you'll notice when you see the world from their level. With a little planning and effort, you can create a safe and loving environment where your little one can thrive. Creating a safe haven for your children is one of the greatest gifts you can give them. It's about giving them the freedom to explore, learn, and grow without unnecessary worries. Thanks for joining me, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and tricks, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with other parents who are on this exciting journey with us. Until next time, happy baby proofing!